happening. This is happening. We got the Nautica wide body 13.5, baby. Let's do this. Ah, look how pretty she looks. You guys remember this one? When I said, can you visualize? It's a little dirty right now. I just found a moment to come and bring her outside. So check it out. We got the Nautica 13. Actually, the Nautica 15. Let's do this. Oh my God, the journey. We have come so far. You guys, let's soak it up. Oh, it's like when you go ahead and finish something big and you're like, you know, you've accomplished something. It's been hard, it's been rigorous, but you just finish it. That's how I feel right now. Guys, this is an awesome feeling right now. Nautica 15 restoration is complete. Right now we're doing a sea trial. It's like 4:45 in the afternoon. I'm just going in and out, just try her out, just to go ahead and give her the love that she needs. So there he goes. There he goes. He's up there, right there. I see him right there. The boss. The boss is right there, guys. Let's say what's up to the boss. There he goes. Look at the boss, baby! The boss! Hey, this is the Nautica wide body. Look! Look, guys, it's done. The Nautica, yeah. You're gonna dip because you're not the boss. The boss never leaves. Look at the boss, people! Look at the boss! That's the boss! Look at him! First impression, I haven't driven a 15 in a while, okay? It doesn't porpoise. This one has, no, it doesn't have, actually, you know what? Because I like to keep it real, here we go. Look, I'm gonna launch it. On the initial, porpoise up a little bit, but this doesn't even have a dolphin plane on. This one doesn't have a dolphin plane or nothing like that. So, I mean, this boat rides so nice in the water, people, when I tell you. It rides really nice. One of the things, and when if you saw the video that I did for this restoration, I restored both cones. We did both cones because on the 15 and the 13.5 Nautica, they're cones, because if you see there, you see how they drag on the water? It's just a lot of drag, and eventually at some point they fail. It happens after, you know, 5-6 years, sometimes it's longer. You know, it's a design issue that they did. But it also makes it feel more stable in the back when you're on here. So you take the good with the bad, you know, for what it's worth. When you're sitting down on this, driving it, awesome. Now, if you're thinking about, if you're one of these people that likes to stand up, if you see here, see how I'm a little bit uncomfortable here. If this console was a little bit more forward, I would be. Uh-oh, we got some pirates, Rico. We got some pirates. I think they're coming back. What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh, that's the Hobie skiff that we did a sea trial on the other day. He's got 3. Look at him, look at him, look at him. That nut. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Let's go get him, baby. We're on the Nautica wide body 15. We're gonna go ahead and get that Hobie. Let's go. We got him, people. We got him, people. We got him. We got him, people. We got him. All right, so guys, so here there's some storage. Check this out. There's a battery in here, and there's storage in here. It's dirty now because I haven't really cleaned it. You got some storage there, and you got a little anchor locker in the front as well. And you got some seating area here, which comes up. And if you look back here also, you know, little pocket area. Your console, I mean, is pretty popular on this guy. Here are some of your gauges. So guys, basically that's the rundown of this little Nautica. I mean, it came out nice, it looks great. It ran really fast. I got it up to about 37. So, I mean, that's pretty good. I'm going back in. Unfortunately, it's not a problem with the engine. Something happened with the electrical on Ozzy's boat, but it is what it is. So we're out there, they're having a couple drinks, and I'm Towboat US. Look, all I need is my little red thing right here. I got the little red part, and I'm there. So, hey guys, like and subscribe. We're done. We're out of here. We gotta go. George, what do you think about your first Aussie mission?
Stay home.
Stay home, right?
Stay home.
Yeah. And she's done. Hey, whoa! Look at this, my boy. Let's go. Rip fishing for the win. 636 subscribers. We're doing it.